Hi, I'm Ray. This is my gardening channel. Today we're going to do the single seed challenge of 2021. So let me show you what we're going to do. Lovely. So last year we did the single seed challenge, and this is where you take one single seed and you plant it and you look after it, you grow it, you nurture it, you show us how you deal with it, how it grows, and then the final products of how the fruit or vegetable grows and how it tastes, and then watch it fade away all in its life. So this last year we did the tomato Tigerella, and we'll show you what we did last year. So this year we're going to do something slightly different, and I've been through my seeds and we couldn't quite decide what I wanted to do. But this sweet pepper, this is a lunchbox mix, and I think this would be really good, especially for the children, and we can take this for lunchbox. But this is sow under glass or indoors, March, April, or direct sow in April, and harvest July through to October. But we're in January and we're going to put some in the propagator, and we're going to grow them on from there, and we'll see what we can do from that. So this is my single seed challenge for 2021, and it's sweet pepper lunchbox mix. So let me show you. All I've got is one single pot, and we're just filling this up with rather damp compost. There's a bit of vermiculite, bit of perlite mixed in with that. So we're just going to fill up our pot, standard 3-inch pot, and we're going to get our seeds. And as always, so difficult to open. And here we go. This is our seed. So it says, does it say how many seeds we got? Seed filled 3. So we really can't do much. This is free in one of the magazines. So let's see what we've got. 3 seeds is all we have. So I'm just going to take one seed, and I'm going to take that seed. That one looks slightly munched, slightly eaten. So I'm just going to take the one seed, and we're going to put it in our pot. I'm going to put the other 2 seeds back in the carton, because if they do go wrong, we want to try and continue this. So that's the 1 seed. Now I'm just going to fill up the top compost. This is quite damp compost. We're going to give it a bit of water, and then it's going to sit in the propagator. So there we go. Also, label. We're going to put a label on it. So that is my single seed challenge, and now I've got to find the propagator to put it in. So there we go. Good start for the year on the single seed challenge 2021. So thank you very much for watching, and if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. And we thank Scott Hood for the start of this challenge for 2021, and let me know in the comments. And if you're a YouTube channel, then write the hashtag Single Seed Challenge 2021 in the description or the title, and then it will come up and we can have a look at all what you got to offer. But it's bitterly cold in the garden today, and it's just getting dark, so we're going inside, put the propagator on and go from there. So thank you very much. If you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell and get notifications when I post some more videos. Thank you very much. Cheers.